It's cloudy and windy this October day, but still, there are plenty of deals that allow us to ask what's hot on the lot. At the Auto Credit Company, 7021 Bristol Pike in Levittown. Let's take a look at just a few. How about this 2005 Monte Carlo? Or this really clean Pontiac Bonneville? We've got a snazzy PT Cruiser, dark blue, and lots of other great cars, including this 2006 Nissan Altima, only $995 down. And won't you look great behind the wheel of this 2006 Mercury? You'll find them all at the Auto Credit Company, 7021 Bristol Pike in Levittown. Give us a call, 866-531-1140. That's 866-531-1140. We want to get you driving.